Your Canva design looks okay, but the text, it looks dead. And the one problem alone is killing your thumbnails, posts, or presentations. Most people don't realize Canva has powerful hidden text effects that can completely transform your boring text into eye-catching professional design in just a few clicks. Hey, this is Saif from DigiWhisper, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text effects in Canva, which effects to use, and how to make your text instantly pop without any design experience. If you want your designs to look modern, bold, or scroll stopping, let's jump straight into it. How to add text effects in Canva. So this is a text and I want to add effects in this text. How I can do this? First, click on the text you want to add effects. And here you will find the options effects. Click here and you will find there are different types of text style and effects available for you. The first one is none. That means my current text is in this position. I can add shadows. Click here and it will add a shadow for my design or for my text. Let's say I want to add shadow color. I want to add shadow color as white or as red. And I can in fact control the shadow effect from here. So here you will find different types of options available. Offset, I can increase or decrease. I can increase the direction or decrease the direction, change the direction. I can add blur or decrease the blur. I can increase the transparency or decrease the transparency here. This is the style of shadow. Now let's select lift and it will add an extra blurry effect background of my text. So I can change the intensity of it. See how it works. And the next one is hollow. Click here and it will look like this. I can in fact control the thickness of this. The next one is splice and I can control thickness, I can control offset, I can control direction, I can control color from here. Next one is outline. So this is the outline and I can control the outline color. Let's say I want to give the outline color as this color and I can control the thickness from here. I can add echo. So this will look like this. I can in fact control offset and direction of the echo and I can change the color of the echo. The next one is glitch. So here you see this is the glitch effect and I can also change the color of the glitch. I can change it to the neon. So this is actually neon and I can increase the intensity of neon or decrease the intensity here. After that there is another option, background. So if I need to add background of the text, I can select this and it will add a background of my text. I can change the roundness of the background from here. I can change the color of the background. Let's say I want to add this color and I can change the sprite from here. I can change the transparency from here. So this is all about background. There are two types of shape style. The one is none, that means the plain, and the second one is curved. I can click here to get a curved shape text. So this is pretty simple and I can also control the curved angle from here. And let's say I want to deselect any of the text effect. How I can do this? Just click on the none and it will, and again in the plain, and it will go in the previous position now. So this way you can add text effects in Canva. You can add text background in another way. Let's say I want to add a background of this text. How I can do this? Just add a rectangle here in your design. I'm adding a rectangle here and let's say what type of color I want to get, and I want to give this color as white, and now I can cover the whole text and I can change the text color as, let's say, red. I can in fact change here the corner roundness. So this is it. In this way you can add text effects in Canva. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the DigiWhisper channel.